Welcome to Sierra Valley Gardens. It is located in Cainta, Rizal. It is surrounded by lots of central business districts, commercial hubs, transports, colleges and universities, hospitals, and sports centers.
Hi, I'm Edwin Botante from RLC Residences. This is a one-bedroom unit, floor plan, 41 square meter. By the way, as you can see, they call it a smart door lock system. Dining room, living area, and this one is balcony, shelves, TV, bedroom, laundry cabinet, it's a washing machine, lavatory, lower cabinet, one rep. Okay. Two-bedroom unit ng Sierra Valley Garden, 67.5 square meter. At pakikita ko sa inyo ang loob ng two-bedroom ng Sierra Valley Garden. Tara po, samahan niyo ako. Smart door lock system. Pwede po siyang touchscreen, pwede po siya yung inyong PIN code at meron po siyang tinatawag na card. Pasok pa tayo dito sa loob. Ito po ang dining. Ang living area. Ang bedroom. At makita niyo rin ito ang master bedroom. May provision na po ng aircon. At ito rin po tinatawag na lavatory, marble granite, lower cabinet po. Ayan, dito rin po. Upper cabinet naman. Dito po nakasetup ang inyong gas range at meron din po siya dito exhaust. At dito naka-provision din po dito ang rep nyo. At ito rin po pala ang itatawag natin balcony. Ay, by the way po, ako nga po si Edwin Botante ng RLC Residences at ako po nagpapasalamat sa inyong panonood. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Tayo na mag-invest dito sa Sierra Valley Garden para sa ating pamilya.